Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to manage HSA FSA contributions in Gusto. Offering health savings accounts or flexible spending accounts is a great way to help employees to save on healthcare costs. Gusto makes managing these contributions simple and streamlined, and here's how to do it. Step 1, navigate to the benefits section. So log into your Gusto admin account and then go to benefits and then health benefits. Now here you're going to see an option to add or manage HSA or FSA plans. Now if you haven't set one up yet, Gusto will prompt you to begin the setup process. Step 2, add a new HSA or FSA plan. So you want to click add a plan, and then you're going to select either health savings account as the HSA or flexible spending account as the FSA, depending on, of course, what you're offering. Gusto partners with third-party administrators to manage the actual account details while you control the contribution setting. Step 3, enter plan details. You'll be asked to fill out key information, including the type of plan, as well as annual contribution limits, employer contribution amounts, and plan starts and end dates. Make sure to confirm IRS limits for the current year to stay compliant. Step 4, invite employees to enroll. Now, once your plan is created, eligible employees will be notified via email or through their Gusto dashboard. They can choose how much to contribute per paycheck and complete any necessary paperwork online. Step 5, contribution sync with payroll. Now, Gusto automatically detects employee contributions from each paycheck pre-tax and includes any employer contributions that you've designated. Now, you can monitor all contributions on the benefits and on the health benefits. Step 6, make updates anytime. Now, if you need to adjust contribution amounts or plan rules or add new employees to the benefits, you can do that all directly from the plan management screen. Changes are reflected in the next payroll run. And that's how you manage HSA and FSA contributions with Gusto. It's a simple, tax efficient, and keeps your team's health expenses organized. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you found the video useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.